Hi, this is a detailed technical video of a multi-lift PIR used in a 2018 Toyota Highlander. So the multi-lift is not fixed here, it can be removed. So then all you're left with are the pins, giving you still full functionality of all the parts in the vehicle. You can still use your seats if you need to. If you need to ever put anything in there. And you still have full access to all the other areas. If you want the tie downs that we supply that are mounted to our mount, if you don't want to see them, you can even put them back in here. Now we supply a sill plate with this pre-cut already done up, so that all you got to do is put it, or the installer will put it in. And if you ever want to take everything back to factory, there's no modification to the vehicle. So you would have your original sill plate. You can put that one back in after the mount's removed, and it's like nothing ever happened. So some of the way that this is all mounted in, it's all mounted into factory locations. There's no drilling or modifying the vehicle in any way. The tie-down straps are mounted to our mount that runs all the way across here, and these tie-downs will hold the wheelchair down as well as the multi-lift. So everything goes right back together, and that's it.